Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to turn on and off Instagram map feature. So let's head over to Instagram to see that. Once you're there, make sure you are logged in into your desired account. Now you have to go to your DM section and go to any of the conversation. Now tap the plus icon on this bar. Tap on location. Now turn on your device location. Once you do it, click or tap on continue. Now use while using this app. Now here, just tap on share your location. As you can see, I can share the pin location in here.
So
Let me do it again. So I'm tapping on share your location. So as you can see, it is showing live location. And once I tap on view, if I want to stop sharing, I will tap on stop sharing location and it just stopped. So yeah, as you can see, the location is expired. So this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video.